And we're back with another one. All right, guys, I got this 2010 Chevrolet Express 2500. Got that 6.0 in it. Got that old bow tie blacked out. You see it, Chevy with it. Chevy with it. Yup. Yeah. All right. So just having a issue not starting. This van sits months at a time, so um, the battery been charging since last night. So maybe it's just a battery. Maybe it's just a battery, and they gotta change that, and then I gotta do an oil change on it. But so yeah, maybe it's just a battery, cause it's a brand new battery. I was told. Yeah, it got 0423 on it. So we're gonna get on it.